Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It is that time again. We are doing another Pusheen unboxing. So this is the summer box. It's a subscription service. You get one every season full of Pusheen goodies. And this month's box has some sprinkles on the top, which is gonna correlate with some of the items later. So let's just get started. The first item that we have is a super cute Pusheen tank top. This features Pusheen and his friends eating ice cream. I said his, I meant her. I always gender Pusheen as a him, I don't know why. So Pusheen and her friends are at the beach eating some ice cream, and it's super cute. I love when they include clothing because it tends to be pretty good quality. So every box comes with an exclusive figure, and this season's box comes with a very cute Pusheen surfing a wave. He's on the surfboard and he has sunglasses on. I think like structurally this is one of the best figures we've had because it's just very unique in its shape and pose. So I'm really happy about this one actually. The next item we have is kind of a unicorn teapot. It's Pusheen as a unicorn with his little rainbow hair, and his horn is the spout of the teacup. And it said you can use this for more than just serving liquids. It is pretty cute. Mine's a little bit chipped. These tend to come chipped sometimes for me. I think a lot of that has to do with the packaging of the box. There's no like bubble wrap within the box in order to protect items during transportation. Probably the most used item in this box for me was the water bottle. So this features Pusheen, once again the unicorn one, eating ice cream, and there's a bunch of sprinkles just like in the outside of the box. Definitely a nice quality water bottle and something that I've used throughout the summer. We also have a little plushie. This is Pusheen in a little floaty, whatever they're called. I never go to the beach, nor do I go to the pool, so I think it shows. But this is a very cute little plushie. I just wish they were bigger ones, but I feel like they don't fit in the box even if they did give us one, because Pusheen has a very round figure. So we have some paper straws. I'm glad they're not plastic at least. They come in a yellow color, a pink color, and a blue color. So these are pretty cute. I don't know how I feel about this item, but this is a USB fan. So it connects to your computer or wherever, and then the little plastic blades on the inside spin. This is a cute concept, and I get it, it's summer, it's hot, like who wouldn't want a little fan on them? But I would have preferred if it was like those little handheld fans instead of this, just because I feel like sometimes the tech items that come in this box aren't always high quality, which I wouldn't expect them to, which is why I feel like they shouldn't even bother bringing them. I mean, it had a Bluetooth speaker once, and it was a pretty good quality, but there's certain things like USB, like Christmas lights, that I didn't think were really good, or their little earphones, headphones that came a couple months ago. Those were terrible quality. So I just, I don't love these items, but this is kind of cute. So the very last item is one that I can't seem to find. I have refilmed this video a couple times because I keep having technical issues, but it's a floating beverage drink thing that floats at the top of your pool, and you just put your drink in there. Super cute. I blew it up and everything for the video, but I don't know where it went, so I can't show you, so I'm just gonna insert a picture or something. But that was the last item. Again, a super cute item. I personally won't be putting much use to it, so I'll probably give it away, but it does fit the theme of the beach summer thing pretty well actually. So that's it for this season's Pusheen box. I think I've liked previous year's boxes more. Like, I'm beginning to notice that. I mean, by no means are any of these products bad quality. I don't know, I'm just feeling some type of way about the Pusheen box. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. If you have any subscription services to other companies, I want to know down below. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time with another video. I promise, sooner rather than later. Bye guys.